Whoa, this login screen reminds me of Vista. Let's log in. I can't wait to see how this build looks. Really? Is this it? It looks the same as Vista.
I think you are forgetting something very important.
Really? What is it?
Well, these early builds of Windows 7 need BluePill to activate their hidden features.
Oh.
Luckily, I know how to install it. Alright, we should be good now.
Whoa, this looks way different.
What is causing all these gosh darn errors when it starts up?
Yours truly. Have fun cleaning this mess up, loser.
Okay. I mean, it's only 2 errors. There we go. Time to change the theme. The current one looks a little bit too much like Vista. I like this one a lot. Hey, let me pick instead. I want that green and purple one in the middle of the classic themes. Stay away from that theme box or I will tear both of your hands to shreds. Calm down. Fine. I will leave it alone. You know what? I am kind of hungry anyway. Yeah.
We are sorry, but the previous scene had to be edited due to how graphically violent it was. Sorry about that.
Welcome to Microsoft Paint for Windows 7 Build 6608. As you can see, we have changed the UI a lot in this build of Paint.
Bark, bark, bark.
Bark, bark, bark.
Bark, bark, bark. Bark, bark, bark.
Bark, bark, bark. Get out. I am trying to do something here.
Bark, 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 bark.
What the heck? I'm going to call Robbie.
You all better get out. Not only am I a cop, but I am also a part-time dog catcher.
Bark, bark.
Achoo!
Bark.
Whoa. Thank you so much, Robbie.
You're welcome. I couldn't catch them sadly though.
You forgot me. Ha.
I didn't even see you sitting there. Get out or you will meet your fate.
Fine.
Time to check on our feedback on this build of Windows 7. I wonder what our users have to say about it. Yeah, I have a complaint. Why did you take so many of these cool features out of the final release? You even took out Microsoft Agent. Because they were obsolete. No one uses them. Well, can't the same be said for the command prompt? Almost 80% of Windows users never use it. 1. That statistic is false. 2. I suppose that is correct. However, there is a group of people that still use it. Can't the same be said for some of these removed features, too? Yeah, but we at Microsoft don't care. Now buzz off.
Let's get started with Windows. What? Another crash! Gosh darn it! I am so done with this build.
Never mind. We're back.
Just put it out of its misery already!
You know what? You're right. Goodbye, everyone.